Hello! I am delighted to be holding our first joint meeting of the year. So have we all made our resolutions for the new year?
Is everyone ready?
Everyone but me.
Jokes aside, sometimes I plan a meeting or three and do not have enough time to prepare. A real tumbleweed moment. This year my resolution is to prepare my meetings more effectively. Send important documents, the schedule, and meeting goals ahead of time, at least 2 to 4 days in advance. By failing to prepare, you are preparing to fail. My resolution: prepare.
We are like you, Inez. We think making resolutions is a great way to kickstart the year. We've also been thinking about preparation. Great minds, eh? But more along the lines of the purpose. What's the point of a meeting if it doesn't have a purpose? We even put it on a post-it note. When you find your why, you find a way to make it happen. Only when I'm clear about the why will I know how the attendees are going to contribute to the purpose. After all, a meeting without a purpose is like a ship without a rudder. My resolution? Set a clear purpose.
This year, my resolution is to go on a health kick, and the first step is to reduce my salt intake. What's that got to do with meetings, you're probably wondering? Well, meetings are like salt. Too much salt ruins a dish. Too many meetings ruin morale and motivation. In 2022, I will contribute to quality of life at work by reducing the number of meetings and selecting the right number of participants. My resolution? Invite only the right people.
Gyokan, you are absolutely right. Invite the appropriate participants and ensure they feel free to participate and express themselves. As we strive to create an inclusive workplace, I want to be an ally to support this commitment. It's easy to say and just as easy to do. Encouraging participants to speak up and making sure every voice is heard. This year, inclusion is going to be a fundamental point of my meetings. My resolution: truly inclusive meetings.
If you see me repeatedly looking at my watch, it's not because I'm bored. Promise, but because I want to keep things on track. I can be demanding and look to squeeze more topics and messages into the available time, but we all need to value time as a precious resource. During the meetings, I will endeavour to start and finish on time, sticking to the overall agenda window. Keep distractions in check, but with the right level of teamwork, spirit, and British humour you have come to know by now. Let's avoid the tendency of consuming an hour when it can be done in 15 minutes. My resolution? Stay on track.
Formidable! Fantastic resolutions that will steer us in the right direction. A successful business is one that is constantly growing, improving, and taking effective decisions. The area where I want to focus is about improving decision-making meetings. Before the decision is made, everyone is encouraged to express their opinion. If you don't agree, come up with an alternative solution. But once there is a decision, we are all in the same boat and committed to the outcome. A good decision made now means excellent results down the line. My resolution: better decision making.
That was a great meeting. Have a great day, everybody. And let's speak soon.